Welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Rachel, and today I'll be showing you how to make stunning YouTube intros using placeit.net. So let me show you how I made those intros in a second. So when you come over to placeit.net, you sign in if you don't have an account. So when you sign in into placeit.net, you go over to videos. Once you come here, you select what kind of videos you want to be making. So you see there are different doc types of videos they have here. So we want to be making intro videos, but I will not be choosing that. I will choose product demo. So it will load and bring me here. So when you come over here, you see options of choosing what you want at the left hand side of your screen. So you see here there are different templates here. So I choose YouTube, and it brings up these 6 options for me. So depending on what you're doing, you choose what templates that suits your need. But for me, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be choosing this doc type, these templates. So let's open it and see what it looks like. So when you open the template, this is what it would look like. So you come over here and type what you want to be here. So I clean this out and I type attitude and approach matters. So I choose what color I want the font to be in. After you've typed it, you choose what color you want. I want the font to be in red. So I choose that. Go back. I choose what font I want to be using. So I'm going to select on that font because I don't like the fonts they have here. So I'm going to search for fonts. Intro. Because I already have a branded font, so I'm going to see if I can see it. Oh, this is the only font they have on intros, but I'll choose to use it. I choose intro, and you go back up. Let's insert my logo. Upload image. So you just upload your image into here. Let's select what image we'll be uploading. So I want to be uploading what image. Let's go back. Find the image we want to be uploading. Here is the image I want to be uploading. So you resize it once you've uploaded your image. You crop it to make it fit in the screen. So once I've done that, I'll drag it and balance it in the middle. And I will crop. That will be cropping while I select a background I want to use. So you come down here and select what background you want to be. There are a lot of backgrounds you can use. So let's see what background we can use for this. Let's select a background. So let's see the background. We'll have to select a background. So let's choose this background. So you basically choose what you like and what works best for you. Nah, I don't like this either. So let's go hunt for backgrounds. So let me type in the search here. So it's going to search out what background I want to use. While it's doing that, I will come over here and pick up the background color I want this to have. I want it to have a white background color, and done that while it's placing the white background color. I want this transition color to be red. So you basically select everything you need to place. Whatever brand color you have, you select it and use the color that suits your marketing needs. I don't want this color, I want this to be white. I want this to be white, and go back and I pick this to be black. So we've picked the background, but let's choose not to use a background. Let's pick this background. So what you do, basically you hover around and find what background that suits your need. So once I've selected that, this is what it looks like. And you come over here, I pick this. You're gonna see, selected my logo. I've done this. So let's preview what we have. So you can also change the song if you don't like the song here. So let's listen to the song and see what's fun. So let's replace the song. They have a lot of songs in their library, so you could choose what you want. When you come to, you preview the song here. Basically, you preview and select what you want. So it has replaced that song. So let's see whether everything we want is in order. Let's preview that and look, see what it is like. So basically it's going to generate your template after you've done it. So there's two versions of Placeit. There's a free version and there's a paid version. The paid version is $15 a month, or you could choose to do the annual subscription, which is half of the money for the annual subscription for a month. But you can do the monthly subscription and download everything you want and use it whenever you want to use it. Or you could choose to do the annual subscription, whatever that suits your need. You can do that. So like, why it's processing, let's wait for it to process. So let's preview that. So you could choose whatsoever song that suits your need. Basically, you can make intro video in seconds here in Placeit. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you got value from it, let me know in the comment section. And if you have more questions, please do ask. And if you want me to show you some other thing, if there's a specific video you want me to make, please leave it in the comment section. I will make the video towards your needs. So thank you for watching, and bye bye.